Big opportunity for all IT job aspirants because Wipro has come up with Wipro Elite National Talent Hunt for 2022 batch. If you're looking forward to crack this exam and get your first dream job, then this video is for you. Because today we are going to get started with aptitude test, important question and answers for Wipro NTH. So let's begin. Happy learning and make a difference. Hello and welcome everyone. I Rohit Unwal welcome you all on behalf of Mad Learning, India's first social learning network. Friends, it's a great feeling after successful launch of Mad Learning. So many students have signed up and become part of Mad Learning. Friends, we want you to learn and grow together with this wonderful social learning community. So just sign up and become a member. Friends, this is the third video in the series of Wipro NTH exam. The very first video was all about Know Your Company Wipro Limited, in which we have discussed all about Wipro, learning opportunities there and career ladder for freshers in Wipro Limited. In the second video, we discussed the 30 days preparation strategy to crack this Wipro NTH exam. If you have missed those videos, I will suggest you to check the card above and go through those videos first because that will help you to plan confidently and get started with Wipro NTH exam. From today, we are going to start with the very first section, aptitude test preparation, important question and answers for Wipro NTH. So let's enter the learning mode and get started for aptitude test preparation. Now given here the very first question, 5 bells commence tolling together and they toll at intervals of 2, 5, 6, 8 and 9 seconds respectively, and we have been asked how many times in a span of 1 hour they will ring together. Very interesting question from a very important topic called as LCM and HCF. Let us try to first understand the question here. We have been said 5 bells start ringing together and after 2 seconds the very first bell rings, next after 5 seconds second bell rings, and so on after 6, 8 and 9 seconds. That means they are ringing together first and they are going to ring together again. This means they are going to come at a common point next, and whenever we need to find a common point, it can be found very easily by finding their least common multiple. अगर सबको साथ में आना है तो सबको एक दूसरे के कॉमन मल्टीपल पर आना होगा जो उनका लीस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल है. So the very first step will be finding LCM of 2, 5, 6, 8 and 9. Now we can find LCM by two methods. The very first one is the conventional method, the books method, and the second one is a smarter method, prime factor method. We are going to solve by both of them. Now first by division method, we can divide these numbers by prime number. The smallest prime number is 2. Let us divide by 2 first. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Remaining numbers we can write as it is, 5 and 9. Again divide by 2, 2 2s are 4. Remaining number as it is, 1, 5, 3 and 9. Again by 2, 2 1s are 2, 1, 5, 3 and 9. Divide by 3 now, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Other numbers as it is, 1 5 1. Divide by 3 again, 1 5 1 1 1. Finally divide by 5, 5 1s are 5, and once we get all as 1, multiplication of all prime factors has to be the LCM. So multiply all prime factors. 5 3s are 15, 15 3s are 45, 45 2s are 90, 90 2s are 180, and 180 2s are 360. Therefore the LCM becomes 360. So 360 seconds. Now understand this method looks simple and easy, but it will take a lot of time, and in aptitude more important is time. More saving of time will make you solve more questions. So here we can solve by factor method. If you have attended our live classes, surely you might be knowing what is factor method. If you have not, just check it out here. Given to us the very first step, finding LCM of 2, 5, 6, 8 and 9. We can start by bigger number first, 9. What are factors of 9? Factors of 9 is 3, 3s are 9, 9 is done. Next number is 8, 2 4s are 8. 2 is also not there, 4 is also not there, write it down. 2 4s are 8. Factors of 8 are mentioned, cancel it out. Next is 6, 3 2s are 6. 3 is already mentioned, 2 is already mentioned, no need to write it again. Therefore, factors of 6 are included already, cancel out 6. Next number is 5, 5 1s are 5, not here, write down 5 1s are 5. 5 is gone, cancel it out. Next number is 2, 2 is already mentioned here, no need to write the factor again. Therefore, all numbers are done. And finally, multiplication of all prime factors will be the LCM. Multiply it, 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 18 into 20 becomes 360, and that has to be the LCM, 360 seconds. Now, we can also start with a smaller number, but the benefit to start with a bigger number is the smaller factors already get included into it and calculation becomes easier. You can also start with a smaller number first. Let us try it once. So, starting with the smaller number, factors of 2 becomes 2 1s are 2, done with 2. Next number is 5, not available, 5 1s are 5, write it down, cancel 5. Next number is 6, 3 2s are 6. 2 is already mentioned, remaining is 3, write down 3. 6 get cancelled. Factors of 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 is already mentioned, write down 4, cancel out 4. Next number is 9. Now observe carefully. Factors of 9 is 3, 3s are 9. 1 3 is already mentioned, remaining is the other 3, write down that 3 so that all factors get included. Therefore, multiplication of all these factors is the LCM. Multiply it and you will get the same answer, 360 seconds. Now, next step is to convert seconds into minute. Divide by 60, 360 by 60. 0 get cancelled, it becomes 6 minutes. Now we know in every 6 minutes, all bells will ring together once. And we have been asked, how many times will they ring together in a span of 60 minutes? Correct? Just cross multiply and you will get x as 10. Therefore, 10 times in 60 minutes they will ring together. 90% of the students will mark this 10 as the final answer, but here is a twist in the tale. Of course, surely this is a wrong answer. Why this is wrong? Understand it. In the very beginning, it was given 5 bells commence tolling together. That means they start by ringing together, and that has to be taken as the very first count. So the first count of the beginning when they ring together, and remaining 10 counts of the next 60 minutes. Therefore, the total becomes 11 times, and that has to be the final answer. Option A is the right choice. So you have understand how simple this question was, but just because of a trick at the beginning, a twist in the beginning, most of the students will mark wrong answer and therefore they will lose on aptitude test. Friends, aptitude is not about solving fast, it is more about concept based first and then solving it quickly. I hope you got this. Let us try to revise it. Now, the very first step is finding the LCM. By factor method, it becomes more easy. So we found 360 seconds as LCM by factor method. Next, it was given in 6 minutes, they ring together 1, and in 60 minutes, of course, it will be 10 times. But now we know they all ring together at the beginning and 10 times in 60 minutes. Therefore, the total count will become 11 times, and that has to be the correct answer. I hope you got this question well. Now, let us see the next one. Given here, a mixture contains alcohol and water in the ratio of 4:3. If 14 liters of water is added to the mixture, the ratio becomes 3:4. Find quantity of alcohol in the mixture. Let us try to present it. We have been given in the original mixture, ratio of alcohol and water is given 4:3. When water is added 14 liters to the mixture, this ratio becomes 3:4, and we have been asked find the quantity of alcohol in the mixture. I want you to try this question first. Pause this video and try to test yourself. I am giving you a time of 1 minute to solve, and your time starts now. Go for it. Friends, this is one of my very favorite questions from the topic ratio and proportion. Now, I hope you have got the right answer. If not, you need to check the method, understand your basics first, and try to build on. Now, let us try to present it. We were given the ratio of alcohol and water is 4:3. Whenever there is a ratio, the original number will be in a common multiple of both of them. Let the common multiple be x. Therefore, it becomes 4x upon 3x. अगर रेशियो है तो ओरिजिनल नंबर उनके कॉमन मल्टीपल में होगा. लेट द कॉमन मल्टीपल बी x. Next is, we have been given water is added 14 liter. And here is the twist. 90% of the students, if they are solving for the very first time, they will add 14 liter not only in alcohol but also in water, and there they will go wrong. Only water has to be added, alcohol remains same. So let us add only water. So 4x upon 3x plus 14, alcohol quantity remains same. After adding water, this ratio becomes 3/4, 3:4. Equated with 3/4, cross multiply. So let us cross multiply here. It becomes 4 into 4, 16x, 3 3s are 9x, 14 3s are 42. 16x minus 9x becomes 7x, which is equal to 42, and therefore 7 6 are 42. Value of x is 6. We have been asked find quantity of alcohol. Now alcohol in the mixture is 4x, and therefore quantity of alcohol becomes 4 6 are 24 liters, and that has to be the very correct answer. Understand this very important point. Quantity of alcohol remain the same. Water is added 14 liters. Very important point. If you miss this, then surely you will go wrong. Elsewise, it was a very interesting and easy question. Let us see the next one. Given here, pointing to Kamal, Shiba said, his mother's brother is the father of my son Akhilesh, and we have been asked, how is Kamal related to Shiba? Very interesting question from the topic blood relations from reasoning, खून के रिश्ते. Whenever a question comes from blood relation, a smile appears on the face. Correct? Now, the problem with this question is it can be very easy or it can create a lot of confusion also. The confusion is because the method being taught by most of the books or the video tutorials available on YouTube. Most of the method show us to convert English into local language and draw a family tree, which can go wrong surely. Also, the second method is to go by reverse way, which can also create a confusion. The best way is to solve by pointer method, which is really easy. So let us try to solve by pointer method here. But before we start solving, we need to understand the normal convention used in blood relation. Let us try to understand it. Whenever there is a husband-wife relation, mention it as a double arrow and male as square, female as circle. Remember, husband-wife denoted by double arrow. Now, whenever a brother-sister relation, mark them by a single line, connect them by a single line, male as square, female as circle. Whenever there is a parent-child relation, it can be denoted by a downward arrow or upward arrow by a vertical line. Once you understand these basic conventions, the question on blood relation will be very easy by pointer method. Let us understand the pointer method here. Now, what does pointer method mean? Whenever question comes all about pointing to someone, you need to point at the word my and start solving thereon. Front of it is written here, my son Akhilesh. So let us solve only this part first, my son Akhilesh. And who is talking? It is said by Shiba. So let us first point towards Shiba, and next is my son Akhilesh. So here comes Akhilesh, son of Shiba. Of course, male by square, female by circle. Now we are done with the part my son Akhilesh. Before it is mentioned father of. So let us bring in picture father of Akhilesh. So here comes father of Akhilesh. Father is nothing but husband of Shiba. Husband-wife relation by double arrow. So we are done with the part of father of my son Akhilesh completely. Before it is mentioned is means equal to, that means something is connected to it and it is connected his mother's brother. So now comes into the picture the person towards whom Shiba was pointing, and that is Kamal. So let us bring in picture Kamal here. His of course means Kamal is a male person pointing towards Kamal now. His mother, so Kamal's mother, done. Bring into picture his mother's brother. So brother of mother connected by a single line. Now both sentences are connected by is. That means father of Akhilesh and uncle of Kamal are same person. They are pointing towards the same person, and therefore we can connect them with a common point of reference. That means we can of course mention them as a single person, that is nothing but husband of Shiba. We have been asked how is Kamal related to Shiba. Understand this, Kamal is nephew of the husband, and if he is nephew of the husband, surely he will be nephew of wife also. Therefore Kamal becomes nephew of Shiba, and that has to be the correct answer. So you have seen how easy was the pointer method. What is the way of doing it? Just point towards the word my, solve the part which is in front of it, my son Akhilesh, and then before it father of, connected with word is, next line was his mother's brother. So every time it is pointing to a new person, and you can solve it very easily by drawing the family tree thereon. I hope you got this method. Now let us check the next one. Friends, given here, if a certain sum at compound interest becomes double in 5 years, then in how many times it will become 16 times at the same rate of interest? Friends, a very important question from the topic simple interest and compound interest. But the problem is, most of the books try to make this simple question very complex because they try to use the formula for amount in compound interest, which is given by amount equal to P1 plus R by 100 raised to n. Of course, again, amount equal to principal plus interest, and therefore compound interest will be amount minus principal. Nothing wrong with this method, but the problem is the calculation involved in this question can take a lot of time because there is a power involved in the question and formula here. So better is to avoid this formula and try to use just the concept of SI and CI to solve this question. So let us try to solve this by concept. So what is the concept of compound interest? We know after the very first year, whenever we deposit a principal amount, at end of the year we will get interest on the principal also, and also interest on the interest. That means कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट में हमें प्रिंसिपल पर भी इंटरेस्ट मिलेगा और इंटरेस्ट पर भी इंटरेस्ट मिलेगा. द साइकिल विल गो ऑन रिपीटिंग एंड देयरफॉर इन कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट amount in the year end becomes principal for the next year, that is compounded every year, and therefore question on such topic can be very easy because the cycle is going to repeat. And now we can understand, if we deposit 100 rupees at the very first year, after 5 years it is going to become double, and this cycle is going to repeat again and again, because we are going to get interest on principal also and on the interest also. So 100 becomes 200 in 5 years, and this 200 will become 400 in the next 5 years also. This cycle will keep on repeating. After next 5 years it will become 800, and after next 5 years again it will become 1600. That means if we deposit 100, it will become 16 times after last cycle. The total number of years is 5 plus 5, 10, 15 and 20. So after 20 years it will become 16 times at the same rate of interest. So you have seen how easily we solve this just by using the concept of compound interest and no formulas. I always say aptitude is not about getting the right answer, but it is all about getting the right answer quickly, and you can get a right answer quickly if you know the concept well and then the shortcuts thereon. Don't go beyond the shortcut first. First comes concept, and automatically smart methods will follow. I hope you got this question well. Let us see the next one. Friends, I have seen you have not subscribed to our channel. If you really like this kind of videos, then do subscribe us to get all placement related updates. Now given here, one morning Ajay and Vijay were talking to each other face to face, standing at a crossing. If Vijay's shadow was exactly to the left of Ajay, which direction was Ajay facing? A very important question from the topic direction sense test. We can easily solve this if we know the concept of sunrise and sunset. Now understand this, during sunrise, if you are facing towards the sun, then surely your shadow will fall in the west direction. So if you know this concept, this question will be solved very easily. The reverse will happen during sunset. During sunset, the sun is in the west and the shadow will fall in the east. Also important to note is Vijay's shadow was exactly to the left of Ajay. Whenever it is mentioned left or right, both the person has to stand facing each other in the north-south direction. Then only the shadow will fall in the left or right. Correct? So once you understand this, let us try to solve this question. Now we don't know who is Ajay and Vijay, but we know they are facing each other and Vijay's shadow is falling towards left of Ajay. So both are facing north-south here. So one is Ajay, one is Vijay. We have mentioning them as green person and red person. Now Vijay's shadow is left of Ajay. Of course it is in the west direction. We need to understand for whom the shadow is for left, whether for Ajay or Vijay, green or red person. Now red person is in the south direction but is facing towards north. Let us mention his directions first. So for him, this is his right direction and this is his left direction. For the green person, he is in the north direction but is facing south. So of course the direction will be reverse here. This becomes his left and this becomes his right. Now tell me whether for green or red person, the shadow of Vijay is left. You can observe for red person, Vijay's shadow is towards left, and therefore the red person becomes Ajay and the green person becomes Vijay, and we have been asked which direction is Ajay facing. Surely Ajay was facing in the north direction, and that has to be the correct answer. Option A is the right choice. Very important concept. During sunrise, sun will rise in the east and shadow will be in the west. During sunset, sun will be in the west and shadow will be in the east. I hope you are enjoying all our aptitude related, placement related series for Wipro NTH exam. It is rightly said, you don't have to be good to start, you just need to start to be good. Friends, this is the right time to start your campus placement preparation. Consider Mad Learning as your preparation partner, and we will be with you till you reach your end goal and get your first dream job. Friends, why wait? Join the revolution now and be part of India's first social learning network, Mad Learning. Just sign up on our website for free and experience the change of learning with a wonderful social community. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram to stay updated with all live classes and awesome events that we have planned for you very soon. The link to join Mad Learning is in the description below. Also, once you join our Mad Learning, you can attend live classes and expert sessions by industry experts, learn with members having common goals and interests, meet up with people from diverse fields and grow together, participate in knowledge-driven events and learn new skills, and along with this, free courses to develop strong foundation and upskill yourself. Friends, as mentioned in the beginning, we have a big launch offer for you. Just sign up on our website madlearning.in and get 5 free courses to develop your foundation completely free. We have opened a membership in this launch offer at just rupees 999. Become a member of this wonderful social learning community, learn and grow together, and convert your dreams into reality. Friends, it's right time to get started, so just register now. The link is in the description below. We are going to come up with many such informative videos coming up very soon. Till then, stay motivated, happy learning, and make a difference.